Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the clarity of a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture, and after that press on adjustments down below and press on clarity now. And you can just swipe to the left or to the right and you can manage here the clarity. And once you're done with it, you can just simply leave the page, or you can just simply continue editing with other effects if you want to. In any case, the change that you have made there will be saved. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.